मिसेस रंजना हमें उनके बहुत ही दिलचस्प एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बता रही थी। हम आपसे ये जानना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर कि लेफ़्ट ब्रेन और राइट ब्रेन होता है दिमाग में, उनके क्या फंक्शंस होते हैं, क्या खासियत है इसकी?
Right, okay. We have these two cerebral hemispheres. The left brain is connected with logical thinking and analysis. It works through the linear model. So, generally, we use it in our daily regular life to think, to analyze, to function. It's a cognitive functioning of the mind. It's also called conscious mind. That 1% reasoning abilities is performed by this left brain mode. And the other side is the right brain. And the right brain has a completely different function. And here the right brain really can access the deeper intelligence that we all have. It's called intuitive intelligence. Right brain operates through intuition. It's beyond logic. It operates through imagination. It has so much of creative abilities inside it. So the right brain is untapped potential inside a human mind. So we can say that 1% is the conscious logical mind which we're using, and more than 85 to more than 95% is your subconscious mind, which is operating through the right brain.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, इसके बारे में रिसर्च क्या कहता है कि राइट ब्रेन लेफ़्ट ब्रेन में कुछ एक्टिविटी अलग होती है ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस के दौरान?
कई न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट ने जब इस नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस अनुभव के समय रिसर्च किया तो उन्होंने कुछ एक्टिविटी दे हैव नोटिस्ड इन द ब्रेन because we have so many parts in the brain like temporal lobe, then the frontal lobe, occipital lobe. ये न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट ने ये नोटिस किया कि राइट टेम्पोरल लोब है, उस टेम्पोरल लोब में बहुत एक्टिविटी है जब भी ये नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस हो रही है. बट दैट डजंट मीन द एक्टिविटी इन द राइट टेम्पोरल लोब इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस, बट दे हैव डेफिनेटली नोटिस्ड इस राइट टेम्पोरल लोब में कई चेंजेस आते हैं.
तो क्या ध्यान के दरमियान हम राइट ब्रेन यूज करते हैं?
Definitely. In meditation, we use more of right brain. And that's why so many meditation experiences we do get.
अच्छा, और क्या लेफ्ट हैंडेड और राइट हैंडेड पर्सन्स में इसकी एक्टिविटी वेरी होती है?
Yes,
जी?
yes.
Okay.
Left-handed people में right brain is more, they're more creative, they're
अच्छा.
more, this side is more active.
Active.
Yeah.
Okay. उस पार एक ऐसी जगह है जहां आपके हर सवाल का जवाब मिलेगा. उस पार एक ऐसी जगह है जहां वक्त ठहर जाएगा. क्या आप तैयार हैं रंजना?
यस, मैं तैयार हूँ. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
4 कदम जिंदगी और मौत के बीच, 4 कदम और फिर मिलेगी दोबारा जिंदगी.
आज रंजना गाइडेड मेडिटेशन यानी मार्गदर्शित ध्यान के जरिए अपने अनुभव को दोबारा जिएंगी. और इस बार उनके साथ हैं डॉक्टर न्यूटन, जो रंजना के अनोखे अनुभव में छुपे संदेश को जानने में उनकी मदद करेंगे. आज रंजना जानेंगी कि क्यों अचानक उनके साथ हुआ कुछ ऐसा कि उनकी दुनिया ही बदल गई.
कि आंखें बंद कीजिए और गहरी लंबी सांसें लीजिए. Make yourself totally relaxed. Inhaling and exhaling consciously. While you are breathing in, breathe in all the fresh energies into your body. While you are breathing out, breathe out all the worries, anxieties, tensions that you're storing in your body and mind. With each passing moment, let this state of relaxation deepen more and more. With each cycle of breathing, completely allow yourself to drift deeper, deeper, deeper into this beautiful relaxation. How are you feeling?
Very calm,
Very calm.
very calm. It's a beautiful temple है.
Yes.
उसके पास बैठे. बहुत बड़ा पेड़ है. पेड़ के पास बैठे.
Good.
बहुत बड़ी नदी है. बहुत जोर से पानी चल रहा है. बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
Very good. At this point of time, in this deep trance kind of state, you can access the memories from your subconscious mind. Give yourself this permission to journey backwards in time to this significant memory that happened, a near-death experience when you're around 30 years age. Experience it again, completely being there in that memory. Now you can tell me, describe me about what you are experiencing.
Pain.
Pain, right? Yeah. Which part of the body you have the pain?
Just rise.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. Tell me more about, what's happening in that moment to you.
Something's coming up.
Something is coming up. Right. Yeah. Right. What are you seeing or feeling or experiencing?
I'm feeling I'm floating from the body.
Right. Yes. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right. Right. What's happening? Right. Yeah.
Very light.
Right. As you look down at the body, notice what's happening to the body.
It's lying limpless.
Lying limpless there.
I can see my mother crying.
Your mother crying.
My sister
Yes.
shaking me.
Yeah.
My husband is running around.
Right.
Going.
Yes. At this point of time, I'd like you to describe about that other side, the place where all the souls reach after deaths, after vacating their bodies.
See a huge statue of Lord Shiva,
Right.
just like ice,
Yes.
snow,
Right.
very big,
Yes.
huge, sun shining all around.
Yes.
Everybody's so happy.
Yes.
There's so beautiful flowers.
Yes.
It's clear water I see.
Right.
It's cool, clear water. It's very beautiful. It's absolutely clear.
Yes.
Everybody's smiling at me.
Yes. Can you recognize any of them, the souls there?
Yes. My father is there.
Your father,
Yeah.
right?
He's just smiling and laughing at me.
Yes,
He's very happy to see me.
right.
My grandmothers,
Yeah.
sisters,
Yes.
all happy. They're throwing flowers at me. They're welcoming me. It's so pretty.
Yes.
You can see the lovely rain.
Rainbow.
It's very beautiful.
Yes.
But I'm with God. I'm with Lord Shiva. I'm with Lord Shiva. He's guiding me. He says you have to help people.
Right.
You're a healer.
Right.
You have to heal. You're wasting your time.
Yes.
It's taking me all over.
What you're seeing, feeling.
He's showing me my past life. He's showing that you've left your work of healing in your past life.
Right.
You have to do it.
Yes.
You have to help. Lord Shiva was holding my hand again.
Yes.
He's constantly reminding me of my path.
Right.
It's a beautiful path.
Yes.
It's covered with flowers.
Yes.
He's showing this is your path.
Right.
Follow it.
Yeah. Yes. That's right.
My whole family is holding my hand,
Right.
helping me.
Mm.
I feel I'm walking on water.
Right.
I'm not even drowning, just floating.
Right. Yes.
It's very nice. I'm meeting the other guides.
Yes.
Meeting the other guides.
Yes.
They're all blessing me.
Yes.
All blessing me.
Yes.
Taking their blessing.
Right. That's wonderful. Like to receive all that energy, vibration, blessings, even messages that they want to give to you.
Yeah. I want their guidance
Right.
to help me in my life, to bless me in my path.
Right.
They're there. Everybody's there. They say they will always be with me,
Right.
helping me. I feel the task is too much. I won't be able to do it.
Right.
How glad. They all circle around me.
Yes.
They're patting me on my back and reassuring me.
Yes.
My hand is full of flowers.
Yes.
It's a big lotus in my hand.
Right. Yeah.
All blessed me.
Yes.
Gautam Buddha is there.
Yes.
Sai Baba,
Yes.
Lord Krishna, Ganesha, they're all smiling at me.
Right.
They've all promised to help me.
Right. Yeah. Right.
I have to heal people.
Yes.
They blessed me.
Right.
I have to guide them.
Yes.
I have to show them the path. I have to complete my last Please the worker my last job.
Yes.
With compassion. With kindness. With joy. With a smile. Bring joy to everybody. With their blessings I work.
This point of time, with all this wonderful wisdom, messages, energies, slowly I'd like you to return to that moment, the 30-year-old, when you're returning back to the body. With all this wisdom, with all this clarity, with all this meaning, purpose, the task that you need to complete in this life. Wonderful wisdom, messages, energies. Slowly I'd like you to return to that moment, the 30-year-old, when you're returning back to the body. With all this wisdom, with all this clarity, with all this meaning, purpose, the task that you need to complete in this life, I'd like you to slowly slip inside that body. Describe what you are.
Lift my hand.
Right.
He's letting go of me.
Yes.
He's let go of me.
Right.
I'm coming.
This moment, I'd like you to once again describe about that memory. Be inside the body. Yeah. With all this awareness, with all the consciousness returning into the body, all this awakening of this purpose and meaning. How is your body feeling in that moment?
Body's feeling the weight of the body now.
Right, you're feeling the weight of the body.
I was so light before.
Yes.
I was like a feather.
Right. Yes. Yeah. Are you happy to come back? Be in that moment, be in that moment, be in that memory. As you look around now, yes, what do you see? Who are there with you?
I'm back in my body now.
Yes.
Why is my mother screaming?
Ah, right.
Why are they shaking me?
Yeah,
What is happening?
yeah. Okay. What's your mother
Yeah.
feeling and experiencing in that moment? What is she saying to you?
She's crying.
She's crying.
She's saying,
Yeah.
don't go. Where are you? Come back.
Yeah,
My sister's crying.
yes.
My husband is running around.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'd like to completely incorporate every feeling, every message that you have received at this point of time, to return back to this current moment. धीरे धीरे आप वर्तमान में लौट आइए. Welcome, Ranjana ji. How are you feeling?
Feeling very nice.
Very relaxed, right? Right. Just you want to-
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, फीलिंग लाइक अ न्यू पर्सन।
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आई गॉट अ मीनिंग टू माई लाइफ।
तो डॉक्टर इनका ये बहुत खूबसूरत एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, इसके बारे में रिसर्च क्या कहता है?
It's a beautiful journey to the other side when Master Shiva was there with Ranjana ji, and when she transported herself to that other side, it's fantastic. So many messages, and she could find the meaning of this life, why she is returning back.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी ये जानना चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादातर लोग जो नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंसेस से गुजरते हैं वो उस पार जाते हैं और उन्हें हमेशा कोई ना कोई गाइड मिलता है, जैसे साईं बाबा और शिवा। ये बात क्या है, हमें समझाएंगे?
ज़्यादा तक जो भी नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस का रिसर्चर्स है उसका ऑब्जर्वेशंस या फाइंडिंग्स ये है कि जब भी किसी का ऐसा कुछ अनुभव होता है तो जब भी वो उस तरफ चले जाते हैं दे आर ऑलवेज वेलकम्ड बाय अ गाइड। ज़्यादातर केसेस में, नॉट ऑलवेज, गाइड्स और मास्टर्स। सो दे हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट देयर आर टू कैटेगरीज even in these guides. The first category is most of the time it's the close our family members जो आपके माँ हो सकती है जिसने उस तरफ या who has passed over, or your father or your loved ones, anybody, even your sister or brother or even your children sometimes. So they're always welcomed by the loved ones, the family members. और second category में उन्होंने ये देखा है कि most of the time it's all the spiritual masters, the religious figures like Shiva, Krishna or Jesus Christ or Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So they have observed these two types, and in some cases they have observed some guides who are not known, who are totally new. And it's a very interesting point. Sometimes we also feel why we are always greeted by most of the time. It's the guide's role or the master's role is to assist them in this transition from this जो भी a physical plane है, इस plane से उस तरफ जाने के लिए, assist करने के लिए, guide करने के लिए वो आते हैं। Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. राजवीर सर, आपने ये एक्सपीरियंस देखा और जब ये इनके साथ हुआ था अनुभव, तो आप उनके साथ थे। तब से और अब तक रंजना जी में क्या बदलाव नजर आए हैं आपको?
She is more generous, more compassionate, and she is always looking for ways and means whereby she can help people who are less fortunate than us. So वो you see हो सकता है कभी मेरे जन्मदिन पे, बच्चों के जन्मदिन पे, और some occasion or the other she looks for excuses how to help those people. तो ये कई बारी ढूंढती है कि कोई रिक्शा वाले हैं तो सर्दियों में उनको मैं टोपी बांटूं. So that is how she celebrates our birthdays and anniversaries.
बहुत अच्छी बात है ये। और इसके अलावा ये शायद टैरो भी पढ़ती हैं, हीलिंग भी करती है, राइट?
Yes, करती हैं, but then that is not part of, it's not you see from not to earn anything out of it, but basically you see through those, you see if she can help people who come with their problems, so it's more towards that.
मार्गदर्शन करती हैं।
Exactly.
और इस संदेश को समझने के लिए डॉक्टर न्यूटन और डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी आपके साथ थे, तो क्या आप उनसे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं आई डोंट नो हाउ टू थैंक देम, कि मैं कैसे इनको थैंक्स करूं कि मैं आई हैव गॉट अ मीनिंग नाउ, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ माय पर्पस इन लाइफ। मुझे समझ आया, अपना एक मकसद पता चला है, एंड उसके लिए मैं इनकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
वेलकम।
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर, थैंक यू। इसके ज़रिए हमें एक संदेश दे दीजिए प्लीज़।
The message for today is Vija. Vija means twice born. That means she came back with all the awakening. Till then, actually, she was living life with no much of awareness. Very mechanical in the sense that there is no purpose or there is no greater meaning for life. But she found the meaning. There was a deep awakening. So every man can live life without awakening, very mechanical life. One day we die and we feel so much our life is like a waste. But there is an awakening called Dvija consciousness where we achieve, where we are awakened from within, either through near-death experience or through meditation or through spiritual process, spiritual awakenings. So the Sandesh is where we need to find an inner awakening to live life with all the awareness.
Absolutely.
Live the meaning
Yes.
every moment.
Yes. जीते तो हम सभी हैं, लेकिन एक जागरूक जीवन जीना, यही संदेश डॉक्टर न्यूटन हमें दे रहे हैं आज। चाहे वो ध्यान में हो, चाहे वो कोई स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस के जरिए हो, लेकिन जागरूक होकर जीना और जिंदगी को अपनाना, यही मैसेज है आज का। थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर, थैंक यू। आपके इस खूबसूरत अनुभव का चिन्ह डॉक्टर न्यूटन और डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी आपको देंगे। थैंक यू।
Seen the lotus?
Yeah, I just held it like this, the lotus. I mean,